Welcome. In this video, you learn how to get the ask bid price or the bid price. Now, to get started, you open your meta editor window. You click on New, Expert Advisor, Template, or you could open a script. In this case, we're going to say bid ask, prices. Next, finish. Now that everything is set, we come to our take function. So we're going to get the prices, and to see if the thing is working, we are going to also display them on the screen. All right, let's get started. To get the ask price, we need to first declare the variable we're going to be using. Double data type is for variables with decimal places, and double ask is equal to when we are looking for the different properties of a symbol, we use a function called symbol info something, symbol info, double symbol info, integer, something like that. So in this case, it's a double, so we're going to use symbol info double. So we put in the symbol. In this case, we're going to use the current symbol for the property symbol ask. If you want the ask high, the bid high, the last price, the margin long, the point, the swap, volume max, everything, you can access it using this one. So in general, this is for this general symbol properties. In this case, we are going to use symbol ask. And that's it. For the bid, we are going to also calculate it the same way. Bid is equal to symbol info double current symbol and then symbol bid. All right, that's it. So if we want to display them on the chart, we are going to use our function called comment. We can say ask. Since this is a string letters, we put these brackets up, these quotation marks, to show that these are just normal words, not variables. So ask price, we can say ask price is equal to something. Is equal to something. Then we put a comma to get the current value of the ask price, and that's it. That's it. For the bid price, we can do the same thing, but we want it to appear on another line. So we can say bid price is equal to bid. Yeah, I think that's it. But also we need it to be on a new line, so that's why we say \n enables us to go to the next to the new line to create the next stuff on the new line. Right, that's it. You compile using F7, or you could just press compile. So when you go to our terminal, you could press F4, or just you could open it manually. You come this one, we called it ask prices. You just drag it onto our chart, and then bid price is equal to that one. So if we look, let's say for example this is GBPSD, this is our bid price. Let me make it bigger. Bid price. I think I think this is the value. Yes, this is the value. I don't know why the ask price isn't showing. Comment. Let me also create this one on a new line. \n is equal to ask. Right. Bid ask. Gas price isn't showing. Alright. Each we need to create it in one comment section. Here we shall just say something like this. We shall just do something like this. Yes, to make it as one comment. I think that's it. Yes. I think we should be able to see a difference. Yes, this is it. And that's it. You have your ask and bid price. In case you want to round them off, you can use a function called normalize double. You say this one digits. We round them off to the decimal places of the current symbol. So we use this thing digits to get us the number of decimal places for this current symbol. The same. We're going to say normalize double digits. In this case, everything will be rounded off to the correct decimal places. You see now that we don't have very many decimal places. We only have 5 decimal places, which is the decimal places for this symbol. Thank you. That's it. Simple review of the code. This is it. This is it actually. This is all. We only change this part. Thank you for watching.